Welcome to our short instructional video designed to show our resellers, partners and customers how to check unbilled usage on the Zest4 Customer Portal. For our reseller partners, we provide daily CDRs. When you first log on, before you select the blue button, you have an option here called Downloads. Here you'll have access to all your daily CDRs. Simply download using the CSV button or set up to automatically download using SFTP. Files are delivered throughout the day, so you'll always have the most up-to-date information. A file is created each time we call process. The files are pipe delimited and are in the same format as your monthly CDRs, ready to upload into your billing system. If you ever need to open a CDR file to view in Excel, we have a handy guide on the Zest4 Marketing Portal. As the files are delivered frequently, we recommend that you set up SFTP to collect both daily and monthly files automatically. If you haven't been set up with SFTP already, contact our billing team on billing@zest4.com or raise a support ticket on the Zest4 Customer Portal. Unbilled calls for both resellers and customers are presented on the Customer Portal Unbilled tab. All the usage on this tab is updated each time we call process throughout the day. For shared or aggregated bundles, the overall bundle usage is shown here. You have a simple wheel displaying the total percentage of bundle used. And underneath there's a total used and a total available. You can also click through from here to add a bundle alert on this shared group. The tabs here show the different types of usage. To drill down further into each type of usage, simply click on the tab. Keep clicking to get a more granular level of detail. To go back to the previous page, you can click on Active Services. Customers with less than 3,000 services will have their service list pre-populated here. Customers with more than 3,000 services and all our resellers will be presented with these search and filter options. Today I will select Show All Services, but for information on how to use the search and filter options, please see our screen loading enhancements video on the Zest4 YouTube channel. Just click here to show all your services. You're now presented with your services and current usage. You can select here to show all services on the page, and this will then give you a handy sum total on the bottom. You can search for individual numbers here or for usernames. And you can sort each column by clicking on the header. Click once for ascending and twice for descending. This is useful for a quick view of your highest users. For example, who's got the highest unbilled value? And who's got the highest data usage. You can download all the services and totals into CSV here. Or you can download call details individually for a specific number using the blue button here. From here you can also access Alert Manager, Summary of Fixed Charges and Self-Service. The eye icon gives a breakdown of the current unbilled calls on the screen and allows you to easily interrogate the data. So we'll have a look at one that's got a bundle attached to it, like this one. If the service has a bundle attached, then you can easily see the current bundle usage on the wheel here. And when you scroll down, you can now see the call details. In this screen, you can again sort the columns. You can search. And you can use these easy filters to, for example, just show all the text messages and other events, or to show all the data or all the voice. You can download the contents of the screen into CSV. Select to show all and then CSV. You can also get all the current unbilled for the selected service by selecting calls up here in the tabs. Likewise, you can get a current unbilled file for all the services on your account, which is very useful. You can go back to Active Services using your breadcrumb trail up here. And then in the tabs you have this calls button here. If you select it, it will go to pending while it creates the file, and then as soon as it says download, you're able to download the file. Click to download the file. The Zest4 bill run period runs from the 1st of the month until the 3rd or 4th working day. During this time, unbilled will contain calls from the current month and the previous month while they're waiting to go through the bill run. It's also common for calls from the previous month to be received from the network during the first couple of days of the month. However, the unbilled screen does default to show the current month only. So for example, on the 2nd of October, the screen will only show calls from the 1st and 2nd of October and not anything from September. You can change this by changing the slider to say, show all unbilled calls, like this. Now it will show calls from the previous month as well as calls from the current month. Please note, if you have a bundle wheel, it will not currently update with the previous month details. These are set to show current month only. However, you will have all the calls in your summary below. To be able to split current and previous month calls, we recommend downloading all your calls into Excel, where you can easily split out by call month. We hope this video has given you some useful tips to help with managing your unbilled usage throughout the month. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to raise a support ticket on the Zest4 Customer Portal or email into service@zest4.com. We are also happy to arrange training for you or your teams if required. Contact onboarding@zest4.com. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on the Zest4 YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.